A company produces products simultaneously through a refining process costing 186,000. 186,000 is the joint cost. The joint products alpha and beta have selling prices of $8 and 20 per pound respectively, before additional processing cost of $4 per pound of each product are incurred after the split of points. Omega is a byproduct. Omega is a byproduct and is sold at a split of $0.406. Omega is a byproduct and is sold at a split of $0.406 per pound. The number of pounds produced is shown below. Alpha is 10,000 pounds, beta is 5,000 pounds, omega is 1,000 pounds. Assuming that the company inventory is omega, the joint cost allocated to alpha using the sales value at a split of points. So the method that is being used is sales value at a split of points. Sales value at a split of point. No, the joint cost is 186,000, which here they are saying that the company has inventoried omega. If the company has inventoried omega, this means the cost which omega a byproduct is sold at a split of point at $6 point. So the omega sales price must be deducted from the joint cost. So the byproduct, which is 1000 into 6, which comes to 6000, that must be deducted from the joint cost before allocation. So the joint cost to be allocated to alpha and beta is 180,000. So this 180,000 must be allocated to alpha and beta. The method that is being used is sales value at split of point. So for alpha we have 10,000 pounds and for beta we have 5,000 pounds. So we have 10,000 pounds for alpha and 5,000 pounds for beta, and the sales value for alpha is 8 and for beta it is 20. So it's 8 for alpha and 20 for beta. So this is equal to 80,000 for alpha and 100,000 for beta. So the total sales value is 180,000. Now joint cost is 180,000. For alpha it is sales value at split off is 80,000 and for beta it's 100,000. They are asking for the joint cost allocated for alpha using the sales value at split off method. For alpha, so alpha is equal to 80,000, which is the sales value, and the total, that is 180,000 into joint cost. The joint cost is 180,000. So for alpha the joint cost allocated is 80,000. Next, a company produces products simultaneously through a refining process costing 96,000. So the joint cost is 96,000. The joint products for alpha and beta have selling prices for 8 and 20 per pound respectively, for after additional processing costs for 4 per pound of each product are incurred after the split of point. Omega, a byproduct, is sold at a split of point $4.06 per pound. The number of pounds produced is shown below. Alpha 10,000, beta 5,000, omega is the same. This is the same MCQ, but they are asking for sales value at split off, and the joint cost is 96,000. So in the previous, the joint cost was 186,000. Now the joint cost is 96,000. So let us solve this. So the method that is being used is sales value at split off. Sales value at split off. So the joint cost is 96,000, and here they are saying that assuming the company inventory is omega. If the company inventory is omega, this means the sales price, which is 6 per pound, which is 6,000, that must be deducted from the joint cost. If we deduct the product omega, which is byproduct, which comes to 6,000, so the joint cost that must be allocated to alpha and beta is 90,000. Alpha and beta is 90,000, and 90,000 for alpha and beta. For alpha we have 10,000 pounds, and for beta we have 5,000 pounds. So alpha it is 10,000 pounds, and for beta it is 5,000 pounds. So 10,000, and the sales price is 8 and it's 20, so which comes to 80,000 for alpha and 100,000 for beta, which is 180,000. So the joint cost allocated to alpha will be 80,000 by 180,000 into 90,000. That is equal to 40,000, which is 40,000 is the correct option. Now the same here, this is the same question, but here basically the mistake is that it's not sales value at split off. It is the NRV method. So let us solve this MCQ using the NRV method. So NRV method, the joint cost allocated is, the joint cost is 96,000. 6,000 is the byproduct that must be deducted from the joint cost. 90,000 must be allocated to alpha and beta by using the NRV method. So let us solve using the NRV method. For alpha we have 10,000 pounds, and for beta we have 5,000 pounds. So we have 10,000 pounds for alpha and 5,000 pounds for beta. So alpha, so it's NRV method. This means we have 8 and additional processing cost, that is 4 per pound for each product. So this means 8 minus 4, that gives you 40,000. And here is the same, we have 20 sales price minus 4, because 4 per pound for each product and 20 per pound is for beta. Selling price minus additional processing cost, that will give you the NRV. So NRV is 80,000 for beta. So the total comes to be 120,000. Now for alpha, the joint cost allocated will be 40,000 by 120,000, 90,000 is the joint cost. So that is equal to 30,000, which is 30,000 and which is 30,000. The mistake is that it's not sales value at split off. It is the NRV method, because sales value at split off will result in an answer of 40,000. So which 40,000 is the correct option. With the NRV method, it is 30,000.